Basically, the water can flow right through the middle of them, just like a straw. So how these form is water or rainwater will seep through the earth's soil, collect things like minerals on its way down here, and these minerals will deposit in super small rings once it reaches the ceiling and evaporates. These super small rings build up upon one another and over many years until about 12 inches in length. At about 12 inches in length, the minerals start to deposit inside the middle of the soda straw, which closes it up and leaves the water with no other choice but then run along the outsides because it can no longer go right through the middle of it. So at this point, it's no longer called a soda straw, it's called a stalactite. The stalactites are these up here, and you can tell the difference mainly in size. They're a lot thicker and longer than the soda straws right here. So when water drips off of the soda straws and stalactites onto the cave floor, it forms our stalagmites, like the ones back there or right here. So stalagmites grow upward towards stalactites, and the goal of every single stalactite and every soda straw is to eventually touch a stalagmite on the ground. So at some point in time, all of these will eventually touch a stalagmite on the ground, and when this happens, they form one column, like this one right here. So you guys can see a column is just one solid rock going from the cave ceiling to the cave floor like this. Okay? So there is one more notable formation I want to show you guys in this room. It's on this back wall right here. This kind of wavy formation you see right here. This is called cave drapery. And how it forms is the cave walls at an angle, you guys can kind of see. So water will run down this angle and deposit small amounts of minerals along the way. And these minerals build up upon each other and eventually form this wavy looking formation right here. Now we do have a few names for this: cave drapery, elephant ears, dragon wings, but my personal favorite is cave bacon. So this is the cave bacon right here. This room is also not just called the wedding room because of these two formations behind me. We actually host 2 to 3 weddings a year in this very room. And just a couple weeks ago, we actually had 2 people get married on this altar right here. So you guys can feel free to take your picture on the altar if you want to. But that's pretty much it for the wedding room. When you guys are ready, you can go ahead and follow me into the next room. Just be sure to watch your head and watch your step when you decide to do so. All right.
We're going to prove her memorization today. That's what she's going to do.
Go first, Haley. Go down. Go down.